Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Ranger in neutral without a key, which is very useful if your battery is dead. First, always ensure your parking brake is fully engaged for safety. Next, you will need to locate a small access panel, typically found near the gear shifter. Use a flathead screwdriver or even a key to carefully pry this cover open. This reveals the manual override mechanism. Once the access panel is removed, look inside the opening. You should see a small white or black plunger or button. This is your manual shift interlock override, designed to release the gear selector when there is no power or key. In some Ford Ranger models, this release mechanism might be a lever located underneath the steering column instead. Identify the correct component for your specific vehicle. Now, to engage neutral, you must perform a few actions simultaneously. First, press and hold the brake pedal firmly with your foot. With your other hand, use a small tool, like a screwdriver, to push the plunger or pull the lever you located. While continuously holding both the brake and the override, move the gear selector into the neutral position. This action bypasses the electronic lock. Once the gear selector is in neutral, you can release the manual override and carefully replace the access panel. Before attempting to move the vehicle, always confirm it is securely in neutral. Remember, this procedure is for emergency situations. It is important to address any underlying issues, such as a dead battery or a faulty shift interlock, as soon as possible to prevent future problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.